The one on the left was lucky the dog with the cone was held back. Otherwise, things could have gone very badly.
It's gotta be a ball, right? He's gonna steal my ball! That's my ball! Hey, guy. No. Hey! Hey! No!
He lost the ball, but gained a rare experience, having Mother Nature suddenly join the game as the opposing team.
He's gonna put it on the green! And put that on the green!
They tore the top apart. And
Oh my god.
So now the seats and these fucking don't chew on it.
I'm sorry, Dave.
A convertible isn't just about freedom on the road, it's also about freedom of access, something this bear family appreciated quite a bit. When you buy a camera to keep an eye on the stray cat you've been feeding, and find out it wasn't a cat.
Rusty, what are you doing?
A quick guide to temporarily breaking your dog's brain.
See you. Oh, hey there. Hey, Chewy. What are you guys doing? All right, stay. Oh, hi. Hey there.
The bear realized he was wasting too much energy. Time to find food that doesn't run away.
Watch out! Watch out, there it goes. There it goes. It's out.
Oh my god!
You wanna go outside? You wanna go potty? Is it cold out there? You wanna go outside? Let's go to the bathroom. Come on. Oh, buddy. Is it cold out there? It's not that cold today. Come on, Bubba. Just go outside. You can go outside, Bubba. It's okay. Come on. Let's go outside. No, are you shivering? Why are you shivering, buddy? Oh, Bubba, it's not that cold out. I know. Come on, let's go inside. Okay, you don't have to go. Instantly stops.
对，喂，它来，它来，你蹲下，你蹲下。
Looks like he's trying to learn the cat's language just to explain to this furball why he's wrong.
What up, dear?
Looks like these groundhogs finally finished renovating the burrow. Time to make the place feel like home. Now that's what I call a catwalk. The owners just wanted to film their cats running around the apartment. Instead, they caught a complicated thought process. Or maybe the lack thereof.
Don't. Hey, found it. Do that.
She's never heard anything so ridiculous. He just started working and already wants a vacation. They thought they'd bought a robot vacuum, but it turned out to be a merry-go-round for their puppies.
on. Hey. In there. Stay.
Looks like someone's having a spa day.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God! What is that?
The frog wins this round.
Yeah, how DeBarkis is scared of Netflix. How can I do? Okay, look. Yeah, just look. Hold on. I'm gonna turn it on Netflix. Look, he gonna look at the.
This dog has a very unusual phobia.
Okay, let me go to Netflix. Look.
This is what you call a chain reaction.
Cuidado. ¿Cuántas veces te lo he dicho? ¿Qué me lo quieres matar de una mordida o qué? Si vuelves a hacer eso te voy a pegar muy feo.
We should all take notes from him on how to handle criticism.
Ya me lo vas a matar ahí de un mordidón que le des.
This good boy just realized police work isn't for him. What do you think they're staring at? He just didn't realize it was a bird feeder, not a bear feeder.
I'm not doing this. It is raining. Let's go. Do not jump in that pool. Do not jump in that pool. You're a jerk. Get out of the pool. Get out of the pool. It's thundering. Get out of the pool.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see more, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.